Hi everybody, welcome again to another video class. This is Ms Fran as always, and today we're going to be doing a cooking class. So since this week is all about Easter and chocolate eggs, I thought that maybe we could do something with chocolate. So that's why I chose a very easy and fun recipe for you, and it's brownie. So for this recipe we need 3 eggs. You cannot see them very well here. 3 eggs. You need sugar. You need flour. I'm using all-purpose flour with baking powder, but if you don't have this one, you can buy the regular and put some baking powder. This is chocolate. It's called bitter chocolate. This is the one that's going to make our brownie taste very, very sweet. We have some milk and butter. We are going to use 125 grams of butter, and we're going to melt it. Okay, so whether if it's soft or liquidy, it's fine. We are going to first put the butter inside our container or bowl. I'm using a very big bowl today, and I'm going to save a little bit for the final container that I'm going to use, so the brownie doesn't stick to it. And I'm going to add the sugar. I'm here going to add 1.5 cups of sugar, and I'm going to use the mixer to mix. This is going to take a long time, so the longer you mix it, the better it will taste afterwards. So what we want here, I'm going to put this away a little bit because they're very, very loud. I'm going to put them here. So what we want now is that the butter, it's completely mixed with the sugar. You can use your machine. I'm going to use this manual mixer, and it's sticky. Oops. Good. Let's keep going. So once it is mixed, we are going to add the eggs one by one. And don't worry, and if it's a bit sticky, it is normal. That is what we want for this mix. So, shall we put one? There we go. Oops, one. And we're going to mix. You need to mix very, very well all the ingredients. I'm going to put this on the side because I don't want to spill. Remember that it is okay if our mix is messy or if we end up all dirty. It is all about the fun. So look, I'm mixing now, and I need to keep mixing. So you can hold it like this, and you can mix. If you are baking with your mommy and your daddy, you can ask them for help. Once the first egg is all blended we're going to add the second one. Here. There we go. Oops. And now let's mix again. Whoop, whoop. So we're going to remove it a little bit of here. Let's go mix. And once the second egg is ready, we're going to add the third one. I think I need more practice opening these eggs. I'm going to put this on a side. Let's go. So once the 3 eggs are already blended, it's going to look like this. And now we're going to add some of the flour. So we're going to add maybe half of this, and we're going to mix. This is going to add consistency to our brownie. It's getting a little thicker. So what we're going to do is we're going to add some milk. So we take the milk that we had on the side, and we're going to add a little part of it. I'm going to put it on the side as well, so we don't split. And slowly we mix. If you want, you can use a regular cup of milk. I'm using almond milk today. You see? It's getting more liquidy. I'm going to add the other half of the flour, and I will mix. I hope that you all like brownies. Sometimes instead of eggs, we can replace the eggs for bananas or honey. And the regular flour, you can use special ones that they sell if the regular flour gives you the tummy trouble. So now what we're going to do is that we're going to add some of the bitter chocolate. If you want, you can also add it all, as I did, but you need to be very, very careful. Slowly, slowly, slowly. And once you know that the powder that remains on top is not going to go anywhere, you can add the rest of the milk. Can you see it? Super. I'm going to put it here. And now we're going to mix. It's going to look funny like this, look. But you just need to keep mixing, and it's going to be okay. Slowly at first. Slowly at first. Don't worry if this takes time. It's going to taste very, very delicious. Oh, one tip. for this brownie recipe, I'm using unsalted butter. It is less oily, and in the end it tastes better. So in the end you're going to have this look. And unlike any other brownie mix, this is very liquid. So now what we're going to do is the following. We are going to put the rest of the butter in our bowl. This is the one that we're going to put in the oven. And I'm going with this very same tool, I'm going to put it everywhere. Some people prefer to put some butter and flour or paper so it doesn't stick to the side. Good. Now we're going to do our 1, 2, and 3 last round. I'm going to put this here on the side. Will it hold? Let's hope. And we're going to pour the mix in the bowl. Can you see it? My family loves when I make brownie. They really like chocolate. So Easter is their favorite part of the year. Okay. So once we are ready, like this, yes, I'm going to take it to the oven at 160 Celsius. I'm going to put it there for about 40 minutes. If when the 40 minutes are gone, you touch it and it's still wet, we can put some more 10 minutes. But let's now put it in the oven, and when it's ready, I'm going to show you how it looks. Okay, so this is how it looks, our brownie. I just opened the oven after 40 minutes and look, it's all ready. So this recipe has been in my family for years and they love it. So I hope you love it as well. So have fun doing it.